Advanced Clinicals, Stretch Mark, Intensive Care Lotion, 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. Product Overview Description. For Salon Professionals, licorice root extract combats the look of dark spots and discoloration. Shea butter and coffee bean nourish and hydrate skin. Micro-algae help reduce the appearance of stretch marks and improve skin's elasticity. Stretch marks caused by weight change, growth spurts or pregnancy. Suggested use. Apply liberally to problem area or imperfections. Use medium pressure working with cream in a circular motion. Massage until fully absorbed. Use twice daily. Other ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, stearic acid, glycerin, glyceryl stearate, Shea, cocos nucifera, coconut oil, glyceryl stearate, bug 100 stearate, beeswax, behenyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, coffea arabica, coffee, seed oil, brassica, campestris, rapeseed, sterols, retinol, chlorella, vulgaris extract, dipotassium, glycyrate, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, cetyl, dimethicone, caprylic, capric triglyceride, xanthan gum, disodium EDTA, sodium hydroxide, fragrance, ethylxylglycerin, caprylate glycol, hexylene glycol, phenoxyethanol. Warnings. For external use only. If irritation develops, discontinue use. Keep out of the reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.